In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 10 of the most important tools you'll need for podcasting success. Let's begin. Number 1, a good microphone. Not all microphones are created equal. A good quality microphone is necessary if you want your podcast to sound good. Number 2, pop filter. It's annoying to hear B's, P's, G's, and D's amplified on podcasts. You don't want this to happen to your show. Get a pop filter. It only costs a few dollars. Number 3, podcast hosting account. You don't want your podcast audio files eating up your web hosting bandwidth. Get a good podcast hosting account. They're relatively cheap. Check out Libsyn, one of the most popular podcast hosting services. Number 4, multi-platform note-taking software. It's important to know what you're going to talk about in your podcast episodes. Use a multi-platform note-taking software so you can easily pick up where you left off. You can start writing down your ideas on your mobile phone and then finish it up on your laptop. Number 5, Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a great tool for scheduling your podcast episodes. You can add different calendars to your account, and you can label each one with a different color. Number 6, Audacity. Audacity is a free, open source, and cross-platform audio editing software. There's a bit of a learning curve, but don't worry. There are lots of tutorials on YouTube to help you get up to speed on how to use this powerful software. Number 7, voice typing tool. Show notes are important for your podcast. You can hire a transcription service to transcribe your episodes, or you can use a voice typing tool. For best results, make sure you speak clearly and audibly so the software can make out what you're saying. Number 8, feed validator. A feed validator is needed to make sure there are no problems with your podcast's RSS feed. Most podcast hosting services include a feed validator, but it won't hurt to run your feed through a service like Feed Validator. Number 9, graphic design software. An eye-catching artwork can make the difference between people checking out your podcast on iTunes or any other directory, or skipping it entirely. You can use Photoshop or a free tool like Canva to design your podcast artwork. Number 10, live streaming platform. Show your podcast listeners how you work. When you go live on platforms like Facebook Live or YouTube Live, your followers get a notification, so you get real-time engagement from your fans.